A scientific law is established only after A. Discoveries have been made. B. Experiments have been carried out. C. Hypothesis has been tested. D. Reasonable explanations have been put forward. E. Theory has been extensively tested and proven true. This question is about scientific method. Although scientific knowledge is not always linear, but I will try to explain the sequence. Scientific knowledge is actually the tradition followed in the science community in search of knowledge. Now, it starts by observation. You observe a pattern. Then you start questioning it. Start asking questions about what has been observed. Now, the third step is to research about the topic. You research about the topic that is related to the observation. The next is to start hypothesizing. That is, you may start making guesswork. This is A or B. Why this thing is happening is because it is this or that. Now, after that, you predict based on the hypothesis. After predicting, you enter the lab or the field to conduct experiment. After the experiment has been conducted, you collect your data, analyze the data, and draw conclusion based on what has been analyzed. The next is to communicate this result within your peers and science community. Now, this is where that hypothesis will stand the testing. When the hypothesis has been extensively tested and supported by a large body of evidence in the science community, then it becomes theory. Now, what happens to this theory? The same fate that happened to the hypothesis will happen to the theory. The theory will be open to an extensive criticism. When it has been extensively supported by a vast amount of evidence in the science community and proven to be true, this is where the theory becomes law. Now, the question says a scientific law is established only after A. Discoveries have been made? No. Experiments have been carried out? No. Experiments is not even second to the last. C. Hypothesis has been tested? No. After hypothesis, it becomes theory, not even law. D. Reasonable explanations have been put forward. No matter the amount of explanation you put forward, your hypothesis and even theory must be tested. E. Theory has been extensively tested and proven true. That is when it becomes law. Therefore, the answer is E. Follow for more and do have a nice day. Bye.